Yo, yo, yo.
What's up, what's up?
What's up, y'all? Y'all know what this is, man. This is Code 7. We are back.
Yes, sir.
With another reaction, man.
Another one, and another one.
That's all we're going to do. We're going to give y'all these back to back. We're going to do our shit.
Force feed you.
Force feed, man. So, subscribe to the channel. Y'all know who it is, man. I am Skinny. I'm with my bro.
It's your boy Tizzle.
Tizzle, man. This time we got a little young dude.
Okay.
JuiceGod AaronCee, man.
That's a name right there, man. He got a cold handle, youngster.
Youngster,
you got a handle on you, man. The Juice God.
If I'm not mistaken, I seen his name from Herbo. If I'm not mistaken, I seen his name from Ty Herbo.
Okay.
And, you know, I follow Reese, so I seen Reese had dropped a video, so I had to check it out, see what it's about, man. You know, I'm really fucking with the youngsters out here right now. They've been reaching out, tapping in, you know, having me listen to their music, so I'm really fucking with y'all right now.
Man, y'all deserve it for sure.
Man, y'all deserve it, man. The youth is what's gonna bring the city back up. So
Facts.
with that being said, man, we're gonna get right into it.
See what he got going, man. Him and Ratchet.
They keep asking how I'm living, I say daddy, daddy. They say your brother still in that prison, I say daddy, daddy. Ain't living great, but shit, I'm trying to get my family straight. But we gon' make it in a major way. Hey, they keep asking.
Alright, we finna leave. Make sure y'all clean this house before I get back. And don't mess up our shit. Raggy ass niggas. Like I said, before I get back, you had a house.
Dead homies.
That niggas be crazy.
Oh, the dead homies.
She was talking that shit. Shut your motherfucking ass up. Nigga.
Shut your motherfucking ass
Women
up.
always do that, trying to talk shit when they leave
God.
in the room or something.
Get your ass up out of here, man. We ain't on none of that.
Everything.
Oh, yeah, the song Dirtbag, y'all. My bad.
It's called Dirtbag?
Dirtbag.
Mess up our shit. Raggy ass niggas. Like I said, before I get back, you had a house.
She trying to buff on me and all that.
It's the one. Bob.
Hey, bro, you tryna two-man with these hoes?
Yeah.
These bitches real easy, and I heard they get throat. I'm tryna knock the pussy out, hit it hard, John Jones. I'm a real dirtbag. Fuck a bitch and I go. I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'm tryna fuck on your friends, then fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna fuck?
This why I fuck with the young niggas, man.
They cutthroat, they pure, man. They pure, man. When you get older, man, you be more conscious of shit.
Yeah.
When you young, you just let that shit go.
Man, they just let that shit
He don't
fly.
give a fuck.
It be just fun, and they just be having fun with their music, talking their shit.
Oh, man, ain't nothing wrong with
Hey,
it.
nothing wrong with that.
Told
Yeah.
these bitches real easy, and I heard they get
Say
throat.
you
I'm
want a
tryna
two-man
knock the
with these
pussy out,
hoes.
hit it hard, John Jones. I'm a real dirtbag. Fuck a bitch and I go. I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'm tryna fuck on your friends, then fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna for a crib? I'm tryna hit it from the back, feed this bitch all my kids. I hit an old bitch. It might be your granny. My man really wants Chanel, bitch. You better go still. I keep it 99 with you, cause I lost.
Chanel on everything.
That
Little
bitch
nigga
said,
ain't
you
playing.
want Chanel, you better go steal it.
Oh, my mama.
Bitch, you better get the boosting.
Juice ain't playing with the hoes, man. Got the homie fucked up.
Got the homie all the way fucked up.
I hit an old bitch. It might be your granny. My man really wants Chanel, bitch. You better go still. I keep it 99 with you, cause I lost. A little bit fuck me and
Like, yo, my mama, this little nigga, my nigga, man.
I keep it 99 with you cause I lied a little bit.
man. Keep it 1,000, man. That's right there, man.
Hey.
Him saying he kept it at 99.
Uh-huh.
Him saying he keep it at 99 is 100.
Yeah, oh God, that's 100.
Whatever
You saying you
saying.
keep the $100, 100.
Hey, give me some wiggle room, baby.
Yeah, you let a nigga lie a little bit.
down with you cause I lost. A little bit fuck me and the homies, but don't catch no feeling. She want me, she ain't never had a crib. I put up to her crib and she had 2 kids. I ate they fruit snacks and drunk all they shit, Bob. Dirtbag on the bitch, I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I
Hey, this nigga ate the fruit snack. I don't know when we gonna get through this.
You know where I hear that?
Fun, man.
Whenever I hear about somebody eat somebody fruit snacks, I think of life.
Oh God,
I
Lop say that
always
shit
think
all
of
the
life
time.
when I hear that shit.
all they shit, Bob.
Bob.
Dirtbag on the bitch, I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'm tryna fuck on your friends and fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna for a crib? Why she finna for a crib? I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'm tryna fuck on your friends then fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna for a crib? Stupid. Why she finna for a crib? I'm a dirtbag, let me fuck you with only my gold on. Baby know she like the fit, I got this pole on. She tryna fuck it up, she need a friend to hold on. Lil' baby tryna pole dance, she heard that this pole on. And if you ain't got no hustle, get your stroke.
Little baby trying to pole dance, she heard that this pole on. Little nigga going in.
She like the fit, I got this pole on. She tryna fuck it up, she need a friend to hold on. Lil' baby tryna pole dance, she heard that this pole on. And if you ain't got no hustle, get your stroll on. You ain't even got no job, we be big HK, still yelling, fuck the mob deep in it while she licking on my earrings on God. Watch us turn up the party and we popped out with a bag. That can't do it like the Crips, so a lot of niggas mad. Looking like she wanna fuck, I'm tryna get her to the past. She know Juice got the name, she wanna tat it on the ass. Like, ooh, no Peter Piper in this bitch, keep a heater, I ain't talking about a lighter in this bitch. Goofy niggas always acting like a fighter with they bitch. Little do they know she tryna bite a nigga dick, I'm like, ooh, no Peter Piper in this bitch, keep a heater, I ain't talking about a lighter in this bitch. Goofy niggas always acting like a fighter with they bitch. Little do they know she tryna bite a nigga dick, huh? I'm a dirtbag, bitch, I know I ain't shit, I'm tryna fuck on your friends and fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch, why she finna for a crib? Why she finna for a crib? I'm a dirtbag.
They got the yo, look, she banging hard. Throwing up that rolling. Fat ass seeds. Hey, don't fuck with the young niggas, man.
Everything.
And fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna for a crib? Why she finna for a crib? I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'm tryna fuck on your friends, then fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna for a crib? Stupid. Hey, you was cute at first, so I know I'm bipolar. I can't stand a grown bitch who still live with her mother. Let me get your food.
Straight the fuck up. These little niggas is hard. I can't stand a grown bitch that stay with her mama.
Hey,
it's crazy because when he's saying like fucking old bitch, he probably talking about like a bitch that's my age.
Oh God, he talking about the 30s
like,
and
you know what I'm
shit.
saying? His old probably like 27 though.
Probably.
His old.
Why you still live with your mama?
Yeah, bitch, what you doing? You know what I'm saying? That nigga ain't playing no game.
Hey, I'll fuck with this little nigga. This little nigga hard.
Why she finna for a crib? Stupid.
I like that.
Hey, you was cute at first, so I know I'm bipolar. I can't stand a grown bitch who still live with her mother. Let me get your food stamps if you really say you love me. I ain't thinking of your kids, so your daughter be musty. Like, bitch, how your daughter 3 years old and she musty? Bitch, you need to do better, bitch. Like on her crib, bitch. You bitches like.
He just started
telling
got tired. I mean, fuck rap. You know what? I'm really tired of you bitches. I'm really sick of this shit. I need to let y'all know I'm really sick of y'all shit.
That's how you know he comfortable in the booth though.
Oh God.
Musty like, bitch, how your daughter 3 years old and she musty? Bitch, you need to do better, bitch. Like on her crib, bitch. You bitches out here foul. Like. I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'll rob a bitch house and help her find her shit. I'll bust in.
That nigga said you hoes foul.
You hoes foul.
Hey.
Stupid. That's my part.
Stupid.
Everybody
Hey.
let that little ass. Stupid.
This nigga having a whole quarantine party. Only one nigga got a mask on.
On everything.
Her have this, then block her phone number. I mean, fuck you with my drag and my earrings. Yeah, I always talk shit, but they don't hear me. And my main bitch smart like she Siri. And my foreign bitch always say she miss me. Let me
On me.
That nigga said my main bitch smart like she's Siri.
That was a little.
That was a cool little
fuck you with
bar.
my drag and my earrings. Yeah, I always talk shit, but they don't hear me. And my main bitch smart like she Siri. And my foreign bitch always say she miss me. Let me fuck you with my drag and my earrings. Yeah, I always talk shit, but they don't hear me. I can't dance in the party cause it's 50. And my foreign bitch always say she miss me. I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'm tryna fuck on your friends and fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna for a crib? Why she finna for a crib? I'm a dirtbag. Bitch, I know I ain't shit. I'm tryna fuck on your friends then fuck on your sis. I never love a bitch. Why she finna for a crib? Stupid. Why she finna for a crib? Like, bitch, having a crib is like having Allstate, bitch. On her, you in good hands. On her, stupid.
This little nigga is something else, man. That
Nigga said having a crib is like having Allstate, bitch. You in good hands.
Hey, young Crippin' man, young fly Crippin' man was also.
Hey, you was on some shit.
I don't know, man. I like that little nigga, man.
Hey, that
like
little nigga
both
was going. Man, that's what, listen, these young niggas been going in, man. That's why when they been hitting, and all they songs is just fun. Like, I'm not really caring if y'all having, like, good bars and all like that. Like, it's fun. He had some shit in his shit, though.
Oh, yeah, he was going.
But it's just some fun shit, man. Hey,
you hard. Hey, both
Ratchet,
of y'all hard.
AaronCee.
Stick with it, man.
Stick with that shit, man.
Reach out, man.
Reach out, man. We gonna pull y'all in, man. We want to chop it up with y'all.
Definitely want to sit down with them little niggas.
Oh yeah, we got to. It's gonna be some fun.
Crazy.
It's gonna be some fun. I gotta hear about this motherfucking video shit.
Me, I bet it was wild. I bet it was wild, man.
Man, y'all know what this is, man. The link will be in the description to the video, man. Shout out to Reese for all the videos, man.
For sure.
We out of here, Code 7.
Be easy.
Peace.
Well, man, them little niggas was hard.
Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Make sure you press that bell. Make sure you click all. You can get all the notifications to the next show.